morning, students. Welcome to your English language class. Students, today we are going to continue with the chapter, The Transformation of Sentences. And in this video, we will learn the conversion of compound sentences into complex sentences and vice versa. Objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to convert compound sentences into complex sentences and vice versa. How to change coordinate clause into a subordinate clause. Let's start with the conversion of compound sentences into complex sentences. Now students, as we know that in compound sentences we use coordinating conjunctions like for, and, not only but also, but, since, yet, or, else, otherwise, so, therefore, hence, etc. And in complex sentences, we use subordinating conjunctions like that, what, who, whom, why, where, wherever, when, whenever, how, if, whether, etc. So, in order to convert compound sentences into complex sentences, we can turn one of the coordinate clause into a subordinate clause. And we must replace coordinating conjunction with a subordinating conjunction. Students, let's see the examples. First example, spare the rod and spoil the child. Now, this sentence expresses a condition. So, in order to convert this compound sentence into complex sentence, we will use subordinating conjunction of condition, that is if, in the place of and. And our answer will be, if you spare the rod, you spoil the child. Let's take one more example. Work hard or you will fail. Again, this statement expresses a condition. So we can use subordinating conjunction of condition, that is if or unless. So our answer will be, if you do not work hard, you will fail. Or it can also be written like, unless you work hard, you will fail. Let's see some more examples. He did not work hard, therefore he failed. Now this sentence expresses the reason of his failure. So we can use subordinating conjunction of reason like because, since, as. So our answer will be, he failed because he did not work hard. Or he failed since he did not work hard. And it can also be written like, he failed as he did not work hard. Now students, coming up to the next example. He wishes to become rich, therefore he works hard. Students, this statement expresses a purpose. Why does he work hard? Because he wishes to become rich. So we can use subordinating conjunction of purpose, so that or that. So our answer will be, he works hard that he may become rich. Students, always keep in mind, whenever we are using subordinating conjunction of purpose, the helping verb used in subordinating clause is may in present tense and might in past tense. Next example, he heard the news and set off at once. Now here, the words at once indicate time. So we can use subordinating conjunction of time when. So we can write, when he heard the news, he set off at once. Now students, one more example. He is poor but honest. Now, in this statement, we have two contrasting coordinating clauses. he is poor, but he is honest. So we can use subordinating conjunction of contrast like though and although. So we can write, although he is poor, he is honest. Or, though he is poor, comma, he is honest. Students, we can also use yet with though and although. Like, although he is poor, yet he is honest. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. Now students, coming up to the conversion of complex sentences into compound sentences. So we can convert a complex sentence into a compound sentence by using coordinating conjunction in place of subordinating conjunction. Let's see the examples. First example, I am certain that he has made a mistake. Here, we will remove subordinating conjunction that and replace it with a coordinating conjunction. Children, whenever one statement or a fact is simply added to another, we can use cumulative coordinating conjunction like and, both and, as well as. So here we can use coordinating conjunction and our answer will be, he has made a mistake and of this I am certain. Next example, I have found the pen that I had lost. Children, in this statement we have two contrasting clauses. The first one is I have found the pen and second is I had lost. So, in order to express opposition or contrast between two statements, we can use adversative coordinating conjunction like but, still, yet, etc. So we will replace the subordinating conjunction that with coordinating conjunction but, and our answer will be, I had lost a pen but I have found it. Next example, if you do not work hard, you will not pass. In this statement, there are two alternatives or choices. The first alternative is work hard and second alternative is not pass. So in such a case, we can use the coordinating conjunction or and otherwise. So our answer will be, you must work hard or you will not pass. Or it can also be written like, you must work hard, otherwise you will not pass. Similarly, in the next statement, unless you study regularly, you will make no progress. Here again, we have two alternatives or choices. The first alternative is to study regularly and second alternative is make no progress. Again, we can use here coordinating conjunction or. So our answer will be study regularly or you will make no progress. And another way we can also write like study regularly, otherwise you will make no progress. Now students, coming up to the next example, as soon as he saw the lion, he ran away. Students, the words as soon as tell us about the action being done at once. So we can use the coordinating conjunction and in place of as soon as we can write immediately or at once. So our answer will be, he saw the lion and at once he ran away. Now, next one, he works hard that he may become rich. Now in this case, the statement shows purpose. So we can use coordinating conjunction and. So our answer will be, he aims at becoming rich and works hard. We can also use the coordinating conjunction so. And the answer will be, He aims at becoming rich, so he works hard. Now students, we'll do interchange of principal and subordinate clauses. Now students, in order to interchange principal and subordinate clauses, we must remove the subordinating conjunction that is placed before the subordinate clause and write a suitable subordinating conjunction with the principal clause to make it subordinate clause. Now see first example, that is, no sooner did the sun rise than the fog disappeared. Students, here in this sentence, the subordinating conjunction is no sooner than. Principal clauses, the sun rise, and subordinate clauses, the fog disappeared. Now we will remove no sooner than and in its place we will use as soon as and place it with the principal clause. The sun rose, and our answer will be the fog disappeared as soon as the sun rose. Now students, let's take some more examples. Unless you confess your guilt, that you may not be punished. In this case, subordinating conjunction is unless. Principal clauses, you will be punished, and subordinate clause, you confess your guilt. Now we will remove subordinating conjunction unless and use another subordinating conjunction that with the principal clause. So our answer will be confess your guilt that you may not be punished. Now students, next example. He is not such a wise man as he was reputed to be. Here, subordinating conjunction is such as. Principal clauses, he is not a wise man, and subordinate clauses, he was reputed to be. Here, we can use subordinating conjunction than with principal clause, and our answer will be he was reputed to be a wiser man than he is. Next example, my coat was not returned until it had been washed. Here, subordinating conjunction is until. The principal clauses, my coat was not returned, and subordinate clauses, it had been washed. So, we will use the subordinating conjunction of time before with the principal clause, and our answer will be my coat had been washed before it was returned. So, this brings us to the end of today's topic. Students, I hope you have understood, and your homework is to solve the related exercises with the help of hints given in your SNAP homework. Thank you.